सबसे स्पाइसी टॉपिक। सर आपने काफ़ी सारे प्रिडिक्शंस इस ईयर के लिए विच इज समवट 2082 के लिए भी किए हैं। ये ईयर टू 2025 है ना कि दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है, लेवाइथन सी मॉन्स्टर आ गया।
New global order will start emerging. One wrong move, we are in a nuclear war. Political, geopolitical, national, international.
So that means कि world will function in a very different way.
American and Chinese economic interests. By end of this year, America and Russia getting more cozy with each other. Threat for China.
सब लोग बोल रहे थे 400 पार 400 पार, सिर्फ आप लोग ही थे। गवर्नमेंट भी बन जाए तो बहुत है।
Possible midterm elections.
नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर की प्रिडिक्शन इंडिया के लिए आपके हिसाब से क्या रहेगी?
Who would be the next prime minister of the country? Aam Aadmi Party will start collapsing.
Any new emerging faces in political party? JNK के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहूँगी। इस ईयर के लिए आपने क्या प्रिडिक्ट किया है? इजराइल एंड ईरान, बांग्लादेश, यूएसए, सर इंडिया, सर रशिया, चाइना।
युद्ध के बादल छा गए हैं, मंडरा गए हैं, युद्ध तो हो सकता है।
Welcome to episode 2 of Astrologically Yours, and we have the assistant editor of Sri Vishwavijay Panchang with us today. Welcome to the show, Mr. Rohitashvit Trivedi.
Thank you, Simran.
How are you, sir?
I'm very well, Simran. I hope you are also fine.
आई एम वेल सर, थैंक यू। सर लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने ये कवर किया था कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी क्या होती है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी की ब्रांचेस क्या होती हैं, उसका कहाँ यूज़ होता है, मेनी अदर टॉपिक्स सच एज अंधविश्वास एंड सबसे स्पाइसी टॉपिक प्रिडिक्शंस। सर वही आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, प्रिडिक्शंस। सर प्रिडिक्शंस आप एंड आपकी फैमिली पिछले 80 ईयर्स से करती आ रही है, एंड थ्रू विश्वविजय पंचांग आप इसको कम्युनिकेट भी करते हैं। एंड सर आपने काफ़ी सारे प्रिडिक्शंस इस ईयर के लिए विच इज समवट 2082 के लिए भी किए हैं, जिसका अभी न्यू एडिशन भी आया है। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर दैट सर। उसमें आपने काफ़ी सारे प्रिडिक्शंस किए हैं, बट सर नेशन वांट्स टू नो वाले क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करूंगी। पूरा इंडिया देख रहा है, इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड में कौन जीतेगा?
देखिए सिमरन, विश्व विजय पंचांग की पॉलिसी रही है, हमारे परिवार की पॉलिसी रही है, वी डू नॉट मेक एनी प्रेडिक्शंस फॉर एनी स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट फॉर सिंपल रीजन। स्पोर्ट्स है, कंपटीशन,
जी
स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट शुड prevail, curiosity should remain. Secondly, betting has been associated with cricket.
जी
We consider betting as an anti-social activity, thus we refrain from making any such predictions. दिल तो यही चाहता है कि ट्रॉफी यहाँ आए, हम लोग जीतें, अब देखें क्या होता है।
सर आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट कि आप पंचांग की नॉलेज और अपनी एस्ट्रोलॉजी की नॉलेज की इतनी रिस्पेक्ट करते हो कि आपने इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया। आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट।
Thank you.
सर फर्दर ये भी चीज़ें बड़ी आ रही हैं आजकल प्रिडिक्शंस में कि जो सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत वायरल हो रहे हैं कि दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है, लेवाइथन सी मॉन्स्टर आ गया, और फिर जिसको डूम्सडे फिश भी बोला जाता है वो आ गई बीचेस पे, एस्टेरॉइड आ रहे हैं, अर्थक्वेक आ रहे हैं, तो जी दुनिया हो गई खत्म। आपका क्या टेक है इस पे?
Simran, I would want to, elaborate, give an elaborated answer here, if you allow me. देखिए, in 2019, Vishwavijay Panchang predicted that by March 2020, the prevailing global order will start collapsing.
Okay.
We saw it happening with the onset of pandemic. Further in the sequence, many global events were predicted, which transpired into reality in last few years. In this years of the ongoing year, which is still going on, last few days are left,
जी
Vikram Samvat 2081, Panchang, we specified that by 2025, emergence of new global order, a new global order, the global order which was decimated or shaken up in March 2020, will bow out, and a new global order will start emerging from March of 2025 itself.
ओके
As we have all seen in the last few weeks, America and Russia are again going frank, significant geopolitical, changes
जी
with respect to Russian and American relationship are happening around us. This is the emergence of a new global order. Now with new global order, lot many activities will change, economic ways, economic order, the way many cartels function, the way many industries function will also go through major rejig. This is also in a way, this is also in a way world war. We have been seeing in Vishwavijay
Oh.
Panchang that 2020 to 2028 is the third world war. Here we have already seen Russian and Ukraine war. We have seen what happened with Israel, with Palestine. We are also in a phase where Iran and Israel are having very tense relationship.
जी.
In our eastern sector, Myanmar and Bangladesh are
हुँ.
very tense. This year, 2025, Vikram Samvat 2082, warfare appears to be expanding globally.
हुँ.
Warfare appears to be reaching Iraq-Iran border. Warfare appears to be reaching Afghanistan-Pakistan border.
हुँ, हुँ.
Warfare appears to be reaching subcontinent as well. We see significant tension in South China Sea
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ.
as well. इसके साथ अगर हम देखें तो ईरान and Israel are also expected to indulge each other in another round of kinetic exchanges, which can
अच्छा.
also, invite American direct military intervention. So things are changing very rapidly
हुँ,
as of now, and volatility and aggression and warfare in calendrical year 2025-26
हुँ.
and Vikram Samvat 2082 is expected to, further escalate. So we are living in very troubled times here. Such troubled times where, we are a step away from super aggressive kinetic exchanges of third world war kinds, or, even nuclear exchanges, or significant economic meltdown or global economic collapse can trigger a very devastating situation as well. I think the sense which we have seen globally, जो आपने भी बताया कि few sea creatures and few
हुँ.
people are making, predictions of doom days and all.
जी, जी.
Doom days तो नहीं आ रहा, but we are just a step away from doomsday. One strong move, one wrong move by one world leader, and we are in a nuclear war. Things are very chaotic.
तो आप ये बोल रहे हो कि डूम्सडे वो वैसा वाला नहीं बट ये वॉर वाला डूम्सडे
Without
डे.
threats, we are the
अच्छा.
doomsday is due to.
प्रीटी स्कैरी. या सर आपने एक चीज़ और मेंशन करी जो कि हमने पढ़ा भी है पहले। पंचांग में संवत 2082 है बट ये ईयर टू 2025 है ना?
वो ग्रेगोरियन ईयर है इन
अच्छा।
पंचांग इन हिंदू कैलेंडर।
हाँ जी।
विक्रम संवत की एक परंपरा चली आ रही है, जैसे ये 2025 26 ग्रेगोरियन ईयर्स हैं,
हुँ।
वैसे ही मार्च 2020 30th ऑफ मार्च 2025 कुछ दिनों में विक्रम संवत 2082 विल स्टार्ट। जो चैत्र नवरात्रि, जो हमारा पहला
जी।
नवरात्रा होता है, वो हम न्यू ईयर मानते हैं। यहाँ से मार्च 2026 का
हुँ, हुँ।
संवत 2082 रहेगा, जिसके ऊपर पंचांग पॉलिटिकल, जियोपॉलिटिकल, नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल प्रेडिक्शंस करता है।
ओके। सर आप मैंने नोट किया कि न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर के बारे में आपने बात किया। सो दैट मीन्स कि वर्ल्ड विल फंक्शन इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक इकोनॉमीज़ विल बी इम्पैक्टेड आल्सो। कैन यू इलैबोरेट मोर ऑन इकोनॉमी एंड दिस न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर का रिलेशन?
जी सिमरन, सी न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर इज बिकॉज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक रीजैग इन अ वे। द करंट टैरिफ वॉर्स which President Trump has just few days ago, couple of weeks ago, initiated. Here, America is directly taking China head on in apparent trade war, tariff war. Of course, there will be efforts to, mediate in between. Russia would try to mediate in between, but astrologically, we do not see any fruitful result of any mediation. Here, American and Chinese economic interests are in collision path.
ओके।
Vishwavijay Panchang last year predicted that in 2025-26, even Russian economic interests and strategic interests will be seen in collision paths with Chinese strategic interests and economic interests. By end of this year, we will witness America and Russia getting more cozy with each other, and Russia openly, coming out against China in various domains of geopolitical activities. Here, by 2026, we see China in a very peculiar, stressful economic situation where America has gained significant strategic
हुँ,
advantage
हुँ, हुँ।
over CCP as well.
ओके।
If you recollect in our last show, we discussed, we have
जी।
carried this prediction couple of times in Panchang and other social media forums,
हुँ, हुँ।
that by 2028, around 2028, CCP China appears to be imploding. There can be, there is a serious threat to the existence of CCP China itself. In the continuation of emergence of this new global world order from March 2025 this year, the newly emerged American and Russian relationship, Indian growth and Indian strategic maneuvering with respect to America and Russia, Israel as well, appear to be a major threat for China. And in this sequence, China is also expected to, militarily up the game, put some stress on America. And this entire year, we will see superpower tussle or this tug of war between the superpowers where global economy is set to decline,
Hmm.
and this can also be onset of a long lasting economic slowdown or a depression.
ओके सर, आई वांट टू आस्क यू रिगार्डिंग जो विश्व विजय पंचांग ने ऑलरेडी 2013 में प्रिडिक्ट कर लिया था कि 2014 में बीजेपी की इमर्जेंस होगी, 2019 में इवन बेटर मार्जिन से बीजेपी विन करेगी, एंड इन 2023 में सब लोग बोल रहे थे 400 पार 400 पार, सिर्फ आप लोग ही थे जिन्होंने ये बोला था 400 पार तो छोड़ो, गवर्नमेंट भी बन जाए तो बहुत है। सर, इसके बारे में थोड़ा आप एलैबोरेट भी करिए।
देखिए सिमरन, कई बार डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, लास्ट अपने पॉडकास्ट शो में भी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था दैट in and around March, April 2021,
जी।
we started taking a unwanted trajectory. This could have been avoided. Things happened for which we can only,
Hmm.
apologize from Almighty.
Hmm.
Then in January 2022, sudden changes started to, arrive and emerge. Things started to change very rapidly.
जी।
Then we saw a beautiful synchronicity in June 2024. This synchronicity was, in a way divine only. Now, in this sequence from June, July 2025, significant stress and anxieties as again seen. It will the stress and anxiety or inauspicious circumstances will experience a spike here. Here, political activity of the country appears to be very volatile. In fact, by end of this year, leaders from across the party spectrum, including BJP,
Hmm.
would start, talking about or strategizing about possible midterm elections.
Okay.
Here, questions for stability of the current government, current dispensation can also, emerge out.
जी।
Also, we see significant changes in leadership roles of various political parties.
Hmm.
Even leadership roles in many state governments and union cabinet can happen. Here we can also witness, emergence of new political formulations or leaders who
Hmm.
can go really long in the race to the top post until 2034.
Sir, we have noticed that in Panchang also before this was mentioned and in the world also right now कि जो political leaders हैं उनकी health के काफ़ी issues सामने आ रहे हैं जो leaders हैं। तो सर उसका कुछ relation है क्या with
Ji
the world
Simran, this is a very
astrology?
interesting observation.
जी।
In this year's of Vishwa Vijay Panchang, we have carried predictions for few prominent leaders of the
Hmm.
country, and we noticed health issue to almost every prominent political figure. Here we are carrying this mathematical observation. This can just be, you, I, or other astrologers reading too much into it, and this might just
Hmm.
well be a mathematical coincidence. But a situation where health issues are indicated to many politicians,
Mhm.
where health issues are indicated to nation as a whole, this coincidence happens recently as well. This was March, April 2020.
Mhm.
And during the same time, Galwan clashes also happened, and even border with Pakistan was tensed.
Mhm.
This can be just a mere mathematical coincidence. There
Okay.
might not be any astrology into it, but that just remains spooky.
It is absolutely spooky. That's why I was like, this is something to ask. सर, एक चीज़ मैं आपसे और ये पूछना चाहूँगी। प्रेडिक्शंस आपने पॉलिटिकल वे में बहुत करी हैं, पॉलिटिक्स के लिए, जियोपॉलिटिक्स के लिए। नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर की प्रेडिक्शन इंडिया के लिए आपके हिसाब से क्या रहेंगी?
देखिए, next 1 year, let's say political predictions for the country. March,
जी।
April until June, July, political atmosphere appears to be very tensed, where current dispensation, the ruling government, BJP, will experience stress and anxiety and decline in vote share as well, popularity as well. From June, July onwards, we see some betterment for the current government. They will feel some excitement, but then again, decline in popularity and extremely stressful time in management of affairs of the assembly, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the alliance government will again start emerging. October, November 2025 this year, PM Narendra Modi ji will again be, seen gaining popularity by January, February 2026. Again, questions will be seen on stability of the government. People will start talking about, succession as well. Who would be the next prime minister of the country?
Hmm.
Midterm election chatter would start emerging. By early March, April 2026,
Mhm.
again BJP would appear to get back into political control. And in between, if you notice, right, this 1 year is a very roller coaster ride.
Mhm.
Things will change very rapidly every 2-3 months.
Mhm.
Political mood or political equations of the country would rapidly keep evolving or changing.
जी। सर जो ये अभी बीजेपी जीती है दिल्ली में, ये भी क्या पंचांग में प्रेडिक्टेड था ऑलरेडी?
नहीं सिमरन, हम लोगों ने दिल्ली विधानसभा इलेक्शन के ऊपर हम लोगों ने प्रेडिक्शंस नहीं करे थे, बट आम आदमी पार्टी और श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के लिए हम प्रेडिक्शंस काफ़ी टाइम से करते आ रहे हैं। इन 2022 itself we predicted that by end of 2024 or early 2025, आम आदमी party's wave will collapse. See, आम आदमी party is one of the fastest growing political party. Even if we study globally,
जी।
their rise is phenomenal, and we predicted it long ago, 2021-22, that just like the rise, the fall would also be fastest, and in 2024-25, Aam Aadmi Party will start
हुँ।
collapsing, and we
हुँ।
are witnessing that happening.
ट्रू दैट। सर देश बदल रहा है तो डेफिनिटली हम सब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं एंड थिंग्स चेंज, मेनी अदर रीजंस। एनी न्यू इमर्जिंग फेसेस इन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज? कैन यू टेल अबाउट दैट?
This year, because it is a roller coaster ride, and
जी।
we see leadership changes
हुँ।
in many political parties. We see portfolio change, realignments and changes as well. Here, we will see prominence of Mukhyamantri Uttar Pradesh, Shriman Yogi ji, increasing, and his national emergence will also start shaping up from this year itself. Also, we see significant emergence and expansion of role of Honorable Manohar Lal Khattar ji. Mananiya Khattar ji also appears to be rising in national politics from this year onwards. And for the opposition party, now Akhilesh ji, I'll just confirm few dates as well.
जी।
Now, Akhilesh Yadav ji and Rahul Gandhi ji both appear to be, little excited in around July, August of 2025. And by around December 2025, both are expected to experience decline in their confidence as well. So this might very well be very interesting political, development in the country. Then in and around May, June, end of May, early June, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji appears to be little stressed out due to international trade and some crisis at our border. And then by around Deepavali, Prime Minister again emerges out from the ongoing stress and tension. So this will remain a very roller coaster ride.
फॉर द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी जी एंड फॉर इंडिया।
जी, जी, जी। इसमें अगर हम now if we talk about respected Mamata Banerjee,
जी।
from June, July 2025, and then afterwards, it appears to be a very auspicious trajectory politically for Srimati Mamata Banerjee. She can experience, rise in her status, even in national politics after June, July 2025 this year.
इंटरेस्टिंग।
Here again, Simran, I'm pointing it out. All these famous politicians whom we have at least astrologically analyzed, we analyze them every year, including our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji.
जी।
There are health worries in this calendrical Vikram Samvat year. Health worries for senior politicians are very prevalent, which is, I find it a little spooky.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, also, when we are talking about politics and nation, J&K के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहूँगी जी। Sir, J&K in the past decades have faced a lot of terrorism, right? इस ईयर के लिए आपने क्या प्रिडिक्ट किया है?
See, for Samvat year 2082, violence and terrorism related issues, cross border terrorism,
जी।
and sensitive borders or warfare or ceasefire violation at borders is expected to increase for state of Jammu and Kashmir. Our security forces and government should be prepared to handle any rapidly emerged situation in Jammu and Kashmir. Things appear to be volatile only.
ओके। सर, अब थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट पे और आएँगे। सर, इतनी सारी प्रेडिक्शंस होती हैं, तो मैं कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्रेडिक्शंस आपसे पूछूंगी एंड आप प्लीज़ उसके बारे में हमें बताइएगा। सर कंट्री का नेम लूँगी और कंट्री वाइज़ आप बताइएगा कि उनकी आपकी नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर तक की प्रेडिक्शंस क्या रहेंगी। सर पहला हमारा है इज़राइल एंड ईरान।
Israel and Iran tensions appear to increase. Russia would try to mediate. Mediations would fail. Israel will take Tehran head on. America would also jump in, and Tehran will have to bow down.
ओह! ओके, ओके। सो नेक्स्ट वन इज़ बांग्लादेश।
Oh, we are carrying a very special article about Bangladesh and Myanmar in this
यस,
year's
बोथ।
Vishwa Vijay Panchang.
हाँ, हाँ।
It appears that Bangladesh and Myanmar both are marching towards state collapse where significant human right violations will occur. They are already happening and they will
हुँ,
continue to occur throughout this year. Here 1971 में मुक्ति वाहिनी आई थी।
हुँ।
मुक्ति वाहिनी की याद एक बार फिर से अब हम बांग्लादेश और म्यांमार को दे देंगे। यहाँ पर हम भारतीय सेनाओं के हस्तक्षेप को भी नकार नहीं सकते। भारतीय सेनाओं के हस्तक्षेप से, भारतीय सेनाओं के पराक्रम से ही बांग्लादेश और म्यांमार में भारतीय सेनाओं का पराक्रम देखने को मिल सकता है। भारतीय सेनाओं के हस्तक्षेप से ही बांग्लादेश और म्यांमार में जो एक ये अमानवीय परिस्थिति उत्पन्न होकर आ गई है, जहाँ पर मानवाधिकारों का हनन हो रहा है, हिंसक गतिविधियाँ हो रही हैं, इनकी शांति अब सैन्य हस्तक्षेप से ही हो पाएगी। ये जो सैन्य हस्तक्षेप है, ये कुछ इस प्रकार से होगा कि इससे ये जो न्यू इमर्जिंग ग्लोबल ऑर्डर जिसकी हमने बात करी है, इसकी गूंज अब पूर्वी गोलार्ध में भी सुनने लग जाएगी। ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में भी इस नए इमर्जिंग ग्लोबल ऑर्डर की आहट हमारे ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर से ही आएगी।
ओके। सो नेक्स्ट वन इज़ यूएसए।
America appears to continue enhancing relationship with Russia this year. America also appears to be worried
हुँ,
for internal affairs of Britain this year for a brief period, after which America and Britain would be able to resolve the issues and Britain will be back as historic ally to America. Same would happen with France as well.
ओके, ओके। सर इंडिया।
We appear to be politically volatile,
ओके।
and in this political volatility,
हुँ,
economic slowdown, decline in our economic growth or stagnation in our
हुँ,
economic growth can also happen.
हुँ, हुँ।
And this year we might as a nation face warfare.
वॉरफेयर।
जी।
ओके, दैट्स कैन यू इलैबोरेट अ लिटिल बिट ऑन दैट? वॉरफेयर, व्हाट?
युद्ध के बादल छा गए हैं, मंडरा गए हैं, युद्ध तो हो सकता है। हमें ही आधे गुण धारण करने के लिए अपने आप को तत्पर करना पड़ेगा। युद्ध तो अब सामने है, युद्ध तो होगा। यही समय युद्ध का है। यदि आप अभी भी ना मानें कि ये समय युद्ध का नहीं है, तो राष्ट्रहित तो यहाँ पे
सर युद्ध की बहुत सारी डेफिनेशंस होती हैं, तो इज़ इट द सेम युद्ध कि जो मारना और ये सब पूरे पूरे कंट्री में चल रहा है? युद्ध इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन, द पॉलिटिकल स्लो डाउन, एवरीथिंग इज डिस्ट्रॉयड, व्हिच वी हैव सीन इन द केस ऑफ वॉर्स बिफोर। दैट वॉर आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वॉर आर यू सेइंग?
wars which we have seen since millenniums, युद्ध तो होते रहते हैं। We either have war time or we have time where we prepare for war.
हुँ,
First World War was different.
जी,
Second World War was very different than First World War. Third World War of course is very different from the other world wars. अभी हमने यूक्रेन रशिया में जो एक नया ड्रोन वॉरफेयर वगैरह देखा, वो तो समय के साथ बदलता रहता है। तो मॉडर्न एज में अभी आज के युग में जिसको भी आप वॉरफेयर माने, वो तो हमारे
हुँ,
सामने है।
ओके। सर रशिया?
Russia appears to be briefly entering into a period of stress in early 2025, and by end of this year, political stability and economic stability will again start emerging in Russia.
ओके। चाइना?
China appears to be on collision path with America. Here, collision of America and China, American bloc and Chinese bloc, cannot be avoided. And in this sequence, we will see America actually bullying China. A lot of pressure tactics, strategic and tactical, would be deployed by American bloc, will be deployed by India as well to put pressurize onto China to check Chinese expansion, to check Chinese growth, which, as I am already said many times,
हुँ,
this leads to implosion in CCP, and by
हुँ,
2028 CCP appears to collapse.
ओके। सर आपने बहुत सारे प्रेडिक्शंस किए हैं। कुछ प्रेडिक्शंस हम नेशन वालों के लिए, इंडिया वालों के लिए, दैट विल ब्रिंग अस पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस।
We pray for peace, we pray for nation. हम जब भी प्रिडिक्शन करते हैं हमारे लिए जातक यहाँ पर भारत माता होती हैं. All predictions, all advisories are made to preserve larger national interest. Nation remains, our priority always and every time. We say, na, nation first, always and every time.
जी सर।
This year, we see many inauspicious indications towards for natural phenomena as well. Climatic cycle also appears to remain disturbed. There is a significant inauspicious possibility of a major earthquake in North India. Major
ओह!
Himalayan earthquake can also
ओके।
cause damage to life and property.
हुँ,
This year, political stability, political willpower, muscular foreign policy,
हुँ।
muscular military policy is the only solution. Otherwise, this year appears to be an extremely difficult ride for nation and for society as well.
तो ये तो पॉलिटिकल लेवल पे और इंडिया के लेवल पे, नेशनल लेवल पे हो गए। हम एज़ इंडिविजुअल इंडियंस क्या कर सकते हैं टू मेंटेन हार्मनी एंड पीस दिस ईयर ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम व्हिच यू जस्ट टॉक अबाउट?
See, individual course of action would always depend upon your individual natal chart, your own kundli,
हुँ,
but in on a generic note, because Medini activities are very volatile this year. Stress and anxiety will be overwhelming. So try and maintain a good, healthy lifestyle. Wake up on time, go to bed early, watch what you eat, exercise daily, do everything possible to keep your mental health, emotional health in place. Simple activities like, conducting upavas, waking up early, eating sattvic food, digester, which is, also good for your digestion system,
जी,
will be of immense help.
ओके। So this is the advisory of Mr. Rohitashva Trivedi for the next 1 year for us personally. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing so many predictions with us.
Thank
It was an honor, and I hope everyone is benefited by it. For detailed predictions about what Sir told about and more predictions, viewers are requested to refer to Sri Vishwa Vijay Panchang. Thank you, sir.
thank you so much.